Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on HubSpot. If you're using HubSpot and want to change the language of your account, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, go to HubSpot website and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see your main workspace where all your tools and contacts are located. Next, click the gear icon at the top right corner. So this will open your account settings panel. Now, this is where you can customize your personal preferences. Inside settings, make sure you're in the general and tap on profile section. Now look for the language option, scroll down, hover over the language option, and tap on the drop down menu and choose your language. Now, HubSpot supports multiple languages like English, Spanish, French, and more. Now, once selected, your changes may autosave or click save if prompted. In some cases, the language won't update instantly. You need to refresh the page or log out and log back in. So, this ensures the new language fully applies across your account. Now, important note, changing your language will update menus and interface text. It will not affect your contacts or store data, only apply to your personal account view. So choose a language you're comfortable navigating in. If you're working in a team, each user can set their own language, and some features may still appear in English depending on availability. So, just a quick summary, you need to go to your settings at the top. So, you see this gear icon, just tap on that and go to profile section and just scroll down a bit and you will see the language option. Tap on the drop down menu and choose your language and tap on save, and that's basically it. Your HubSpot interface is now updated. So that's how you can change the language on HubSpot. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient you are while using the platform. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials. Thank you for watching.